Does credit matter when you're trying to obtain a hard money loan? We get this question all the time, and the answer, like most answers in real estate, is it depends. These loans are typically short term in nature 6, 9, maybe 12 months. The first question that we ask our borrowers when they call asking about obtaining a hard money loan is, what is your exit strategy? And your exit strategy has to do with, how is the lender going to be paid off? Are you going to be selling the property? Or are you going to be refinancing it? Typically, those are the two exit strategies. So if you're going to be selling the property, credit does not play as big of a role as it would if you're going to keep the property. Some hard money lenders still have minimum credit scores, so that might come into play even if you're going to sell the property. However, if you're going to sell the property or flip the property, then that tells me as a lender, we will get paid off whenever you sell it. If you tell us, well, I'm going to keep this property as a rental, or I'm going to turn it into an Airbnb, so that tells me that you're going to need to obtain long-term finance. Now here at Noble Mortgage, we also arrange loans for investors that are buying properties to keep as rentals, and all of the long-term lenders have a minimum credit score. It could be anywhere from 640 to 720. If you apply for a hard money loan and you've got a credit score in the 550s and you want to keep it as a rental property, it's not going to work, because your loan is going to come due in, again, 6, 9 months, maybe 12 months at the longest. You're going to try to obtain a long-term loan. Well, if your credit score is 550, you're not going to qualify. As a hard money lender, trying to make sure that our customer is successful in their endeavor, we have to have that conversation with you. So again, if you're flipping properties, credit shouldn't have that big of a determination of whether you get a hard money loan. If you're going to keep it as a rental, you need to have those credit scores typically 640 or 660 or higher in order to obtain long-term finance.